They are yolk sac, amnion, chorion, and allantois. Okay. So there is a set of membranes which help in the developing embryo for growth. Okay? The developing fetus in a womb of mother is called embryo, as we know. Okay. So for developing this embryo, a set of extra embryonic membranes are formed. These membranes formed from the embryonic tissue are called extra embryonic tissues. Okay. These extra embryonic membranes are formed to provide protection, nutrition, respiration, and excretion to the developing embryo. Okay. These extra embryonic membranes are disintegrated before or immediately after the hatching of egg or by birth. Okay. So first, these embryonic membranes are formed from mesoderm or any two layers. Has no germinal layers. Mesoderm, ectoderm, and endoderm. So mesoderm is into two layers. The upper layer is called somatic mesoderm and the lower layer is called splanchnic mesoderm. Okay. So the somatic mesoderm underlying ectoderm is called somatofluid. Somatofluid. So the splanchnic mesoderm underlying endoderm is called splanchnic mesoderm. As we know, four extra embryonic membranes, the amnion and chorion are developed from somatofluid, okay, and allantois and yolk sac are formed from splanchnic fluid. So the role of yolk sac is developed ventrally downwards to the developing embryo. The yolk is nothing but the accumulation of fats and proteins is called yolk. It contains a pair of vitelline wings that carry digested yolk to the developing embryo. It helps in the development of embryo, nothing but embryo. Okay. So a layer is formed. Somatic fluid layer is formed around the yolk, and this is called yolk sac. It helps in the passing of digested yolk to the developing embryo. And next, amnion is formed upward, a projecting fold. This is amnion. It has a head fold, lateral folds, and tail fold. They fuse together and form amnion. Okay? And in amnions, vertebrates are divided into two types. The vertebrates which contains amnion are called amniota, which called as amniota. And the vertebrates which does not contain amniotic membrane are called amniota. Amniota are amphibians and fishes. Amphibians and fishes does not contain the amniotic membrane. Okay? This amniotic membrane it contains amniotic fluid. The fluids helps from efficient absorber. It helps the developing embryo from mechanical pressures to protect from mechanical, has internal and external pressures. Okay. And next is chorion. Chorion is developed totally around the embryo. This layer is developed around totally in the embryo, and it helps in gases exchange. In reptiles, its main function is respiration, and in mammals it helps in nutrition, respiration, and synthesis of hormones by forming placenta, fetal placenta. And allantois. Allantois, it is a fourth embryonic membrane. It is developed ventrally outwards. Its main function is excretion. It stores the nitrogenous waste products and helps in metabolic exchanges between embryo and Okay? Has any doubts? Amnion and chorion are formed from which layer? Somatoplasm is nothing but somatic is total, underlying ectoderm is called somatofluid. Okay? The main function of allantois is removing waste products from between embryo. And yolk sac helps in transmission of digested yolk sac into transmission from yolk sac to embryo with the help of vitelline veins, and it also receives arteries from the embryo. Thank you.